Assalamu alaikum, dear cadets. This is topic number 7, Nephron. Nephron is the structure and function unit of kidney. Each kidney consists of million of urinary tubule called nephron. Formation of urine occur in nephron. So, nephron is the structure because the whole kidney consists of nephron, so therefore it is a structure unit. And the filtration, the nephron is the filtrating machinery for the kidney, so therefore it is the functional unit of kidney. And each kidney consists of million of nephron or urinary tubules. Structure of nephron consists of basically two parts: renal capsule and renal tubule. Renal capsule is not tubular or has two parts. It is the main filtrating unit of kidney. So the renal capsule consists of two parts: renal capsule and glomerulus. Bowman capsule, the first part. Bowman capsule is a cup-shaped structure that encloses glomerulus. Glomerulus, the second part of the Bowman capsule. Glomerulus is a network of blood capillaries. Blood enter is the glomerulus via efferent arteriole and leave by efferent arteriole. So what is meant by efferent arteriole? Blood vessel enter glomerulus. So the blood vessel that enter the glomerulus is called efferent arteriole, and the blood vessel leave glomerulus. Now, the second main part, renal tubule. It is the tubular portion of the nephron which starts after the Bowman capsule. It is commonly called filtrate refinery. It is surrounded by large network of the blood capillaries. So it is the tubular part of the nephron, and filtrating refinery means that refining means cleaning of the blood, because the afferent arterioles surround the renal tubules, and then further the reabsorption and the waste product released from the afferent arteriole to the renal tubule. So therefore the blood is further clean and the waste product removed and the useful product reabsorbed. So therefore it is the filtrating refinery machinery. So the renal tubule consists of further three parts. The first part is called proximal convoluted tubule. Proximal means first. Loop of Henle, it is a U-shaped structures, and distal convoluted tubules. The last part of the renal tubule is called distal convoluted. Distal means last part. The diagram shows the whole structure of kidney. So this is the first part, the Bowman capsule. The Bowman capsule consists of cup-shaped structure is called Bowman capsule or renal capsule, and this is the Bowman capsule, and the top of the blood capillary is called the glomerulus. This is the glomerulus, and from this point the renal tubule part is starts. So this whole structure is called the renal tubule. So the first part of the renal tubule is called proximal convoluted tubule, and the U-shaped structure of the renal tubule is called loop of Henle, and the last and the more convoluted part, convoluted means coil. So more coil part is called, this part is called the distal tubule, and this is the collecting tubule or collecting duct. So many nephron then collect the urine to a collecting duct. So this is the structure that explains the overall structure of renal tubule or nephron. Now, proximal convoluted tubule, it is the first part of the renal tubule. It is coiled near the Bowman capsule. Reabsorption of the various substances from the filtrating occur in this part. So when the glomerulus filtrate leave the glomerulus or Bowman capsule, so some of the useful material in the afferent blood vessel is reabsorbed here from the first part of the convoluted tubule. So reabsorption occur in this first part. Loop of Henle, it is the narrow part of the nephron. It is U-shaped in structure. It is named after the scientist Henle, who discovered it. It has descending and ascending limb. Descending means downward, downward, downward. So this is the descending limb of the nephron towards downward, downward, and this is the upward. The upward limb is called the ascending limb of the loop of Henle. So this is the descending, and this is the ascending. Descending, descending limb, and this is the ascending limb of loop of Henle. So now the function of the loop of Henle, this part facilitates the reabsorption of water and salt. Distal convoluted tubule, the last coil part of the renal tubule. This is the last coil part of the renal tubule. Is called distal convoluted tubule. It plays an active role in urine formation by moving molecules from the blood capillaries. So here the blood capillaries surrounding this part, and finally the waste product release, and then urine form. So urine formation finally take place in this part of the nephron. Collecting duct, this is the collecting duct. This is the common collecting duct. So the distal convoluted tubule of many nephron open into a single collecting duct, which open into the pelvis of the ureter. So this is the common collecting duct, and this common collecting duct collect urine from many nephron, and then finally release to the central cavity of the kidney, which is called renal pelvis. So this is all about the structure of the nephron and the function of nephron. If you have any question, so comment me, I will give answer. Thank you.